Hey everyone, if you're seeing PlayStation Network errors today, I know how frustrating it feels. You just wanted to relax, play with friends, or continue your favorite game, but instead you're stuck on an error screen. Take a deep breath, you're not alone. Thousands of PlayStation players around the world are experiencing the same issue. The good news is that this is a server-side problem, not something you caused. Sony is aware of the issue and is working to restore PSN services as quickly as possible. For now, avoid making unnecessary changes to your console or internet settings. Just wait for the official fix and keep checking the PlayStation Network status. Gaming is more than just playing. It's about memories, friends, and moments that bring us together. A temporary server issue can't take that away. Stay patient, stay positive, and soon we'll all be back online. If this update helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other PlayStation players. Thank you for watching, and I'll keep you updated with every official PlayStation announcement.